Namaste children, myself Vishwanath from Pearl Public School. I am your social teacher. I am going to handle the civics part in your class. Today we are going to start the first lesson, that is on equality. You have already learned what is equality in the previous class. In 6th standard you have learned about equality, democracy, all these things, right? Today we are going to know more about this. Let us see on equality. Equality is that where everyone get equal opportunities. Whatever they get, there will be equality. There is no differences. When everyone get the same, that can be called as equality. Here we are going to discuss on equality, how it is in our country. So you already know that Indian Constitution ensures all the rights for each and every citizen, is it? So there we can see the equality. But practically what happens? There are some differences. Let us see what differences we can see in our society, how the equality is in our society. So when it comes for the reality in democracy, how it is, we will discuss later. First we are going to discuss how it is in our society, in reality, how the equality is ensured. In reality, the equality is not confirmed. It is going to be confirmed based on caste, religion, and their financial conditions. When it comes for caste, one of the example is given in your textbook, that is Om Prakash Valmiki. He is writing in his book about his own experience because he got a very bad incidents in his life. Very bad experiences he experienced in his life because his caste. He belonged to a caste which is called as Dalit. Dalit means the broken. So he was a Dalit child. When he was going to school, he was ill-treated by everyone. When he was in the classroom, he was asked to sit in the corners. He was not allowed to mingle with the other students. This is how he was treated, just because he was a Dalit. This is how he was treated. Even once his headmaster called him and asked him to sweep whole campus. He didn't consider him as a student. He treated him as a worker. While all the students learnt in the classrooms, Om Prakash Valmiki was sweeping. Why? Because they considered the Dalit caste was backward caste. Do you think it is equality? No. In reality, based on the caste, they are going to differentiate. So we can say that in reality there is no equality. Then we can take religion. Based on religion also, there are so many communal clashes will get place. Then we are not able to see equality here also. Then the financial condition, based on financial condition, equality means everyone should have same. But what happens in India? We have poor, rich. Where is the equality? Then one of the example is given in your textbook. about Kantaben and Mrs. Jain, Ashok Jain. Mrs. Ashok Jain, that family was well settled. They are financially very good. They are wealthy, but Kantaben was living in a slum. That shows inequality in their financial conditions. Kantaben working in Ashok Jain's house, so her salary was very less. She has to maintain her family. So this is the differences. These are the differences we can see in our society. In reality, there is no equality. Even Kantaben, when her child get ill, she took her into hospital. That was a public hospital, government hospital, where there was a huge crowd. There was a big line, queue. That is how the government hospitals will be. Everyone can access, but sources which are available in the government schools, government hospitals are very less. They are not maintained well. But when it comes for private hospital, only where only the rich person can access, those are very well maintained, but they charge more. They are not affordable for the people like Kantaben. So these are the differences we can see based on caste, religion, and financial conditions. Many more are exist in our society where we can see the differences. Though all these inequalities, we can also see the equality, because we are having democracy form of government. In democracy, you know that the equality is like foundation. It is the key feature of democracy. Without equality, democracy is nothing. So here we are having a democratic form of government, and the constitution has told to give equality all among the people, because ours is democratic form of government. Let us see how the equality is ensured in democratic form of government. Very first point, you can see that UAF. What is UAF? That is Universal Adult Franchise. Universal Adult Franchise means, when elections come, everyone cast their vote, right? That vote, right to vote, is given to everyone without seeing their caste, religion, financial condition, gender, whatever it is, whichever the gender they are, whichever the caste they are, whichever the religion, however their financial condition, they will be given the right to vote, irrespective of caste, gender, religion, financial condition. That is what called universal adult franchise. So here in our country, whoever crosses 18 years will be getting voting right. Then when it is confirmed for everyone, we can see the equality here, right? Then one vote, one value. We already knew about universal adult franchisee. Now when it comes for their vote, my vote, your vote, now you don't have. After 18 years you will be getting. Your parents, even Prime Minister, even President, Chief Minister, everyone will be having one vote, and the value for that vote will be same for everyone. My vote is also having the same value, as well as our Prime Minister's vote also having the same value. Whoever it is will be having only one vote and same value. That is equality. So it is confirmed. You can also see the equality. Then, whichever the law made by the government will be same for everyone. Will be same for everyone. No one is above the law. Before law, all are equal. If I commit a mistake, for that I will be punished. In the same way, if president, if he does the mistake, he is also going to punish, because law is same for everyone. Before law, all are equal. The justice is made based on equality. Based on equality. There is no caste, no religion. They won't see anything. They just give the justice to the people. So this is how the equality is in our society. So on equality, we are going to learn more in the next class. Thank you.